In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a reverse video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. So the first thing you want to do is go to your file or import or click Ctrl plus I to import your media and search wherever you have your video that you want to reverse. So mine is this one, Clifford is a Big Red Dog opening theme. And now that it's imported, it should be right here in your project panel. Now you want to drag it into your timeline, which is right here. And your video should not be reversed once you imported it to your timeline. So now I'm going to show you that the video is not reversed.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home.
So now I'm going to show you how to reverse the video. You want to highlight the video and the audio, and now you want to right click. You want to right click and click speed duration, and don't choose any of these or this. Just click this one, reverse speed, and click OK. And when you press play, there should be a little menu that pops up that says it's reversing the video. See, here's a menu. Now I'm going to give you the preview that the video is reversed. Because right here there should be a little button right here that says -100. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want more videos on Adobe Premiere Pro, just leave it in the comments and I'll do it in my next video. Bye.